Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a website using Hostinger. So Hostinger has some really cool AI tools and pre-made templates that you can use to create a completely new and unique website. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So from the Hostinger homepage, log into your account, and then you're going to click onto the websites tab. You'll see here any websites you already have, but if you want to create a new website, you're going to click on Add Website. From there, scroll down and click on the Hostinger Website Builder. So by clicking on that, that will take me to a new page where we can start designing our website. So if you have a type of website in mind, you can describe your website or business and let the Hostinger AI create something for you. Or you can click on one of these tabs like create a business website, create an online store if you have more of an idea what you want. Or you can use these links at the bottom, like they have pre-made templates. So I'm just going to click on there and have a scroll through the templates. As you can see, all the Hostinger fully customizable website templates are built to meet your needs. You can make them exactly like what you have in your mind for your new website. So have a scroll through and see what templates they have, and they are really easy to edit. So when you see one you like, you can preview it, so see what it would look like. And if it sort of seems something you can work with, you can click on Start Building and you'll be taken to the website editor. So that's it. That's how to create a website with Hostinger. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.